The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is filet powder, spelt F-I-L-E P-O-W-D-E-R. Filet powder.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, Choctaw Indians from the Louisiana Bayou country are said to have been the first users of this seasoning that is made from ground and dried leaves of the sassafras tree. It's since become an integral part of Creole cooking and is used to thicken and flavor gumbos and other Creole dishes. Filet has a woodsy flavor reminiscent of root beer, and it must be stirred into a dish after it has been removed from the heat because undue cooking makes filet tough and stringy. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job! If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.